Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Honda Passport. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the menu button, typically located on the left side of your steering wheel. Press this button to bring up the main menu on your driver information display. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance options. Once the main menu is visible, use the scroll wheel on your steering wheel to move through the options. Scroll down until you highlight Maintenance on the display. To select it, press the Sell/Reset button, usually found in the center of the scroll wheel. You will then see your current oil life percentage, often displayed as a number like 15% or 20%. Now, to initiate the reset, press and hold the Sell/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until the oil life percentage display starts flashing. This indicates it's ready for confirmation. Once it begins flashing, release the button and then immediately press and hold it again for a few more seconds. This second press confirms your intention to reset the oil life. After the second press, the oil life display should reset to 100%, indicating a successful reset. You can then turn off your vehicle's ignition to save this new setting. It's a simple process that ensures your Honda's maintenance minder is accurate. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.